with like a venti frappuccino, please?
A large venti frappuccino. It comes with hangover included.
Good morning, Matt.
Yeah. Good morning, friends.
This is hungover Matt making us coffee on his
We-
super expensive coffee machine.
This is the Evan Hafer special. He yelled at me for not having a good home espresso, so we stayed up till 4, I think.
Yeah, pretty
I'm too
late.
old for that shit.
Yeah, it was late.
Definitely didn't do a good rat shit with my friends last night.
No, not
No,
at all.
not at all. Not at all.
Why would you ever do that?
It's alright, we're pouring shots.
A lot of shots.
Oh, shots of coffee.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
coffee. Yeah, coffee.
Oh.
Get it.
Oh. It's so sad when.
That probably feels good.
Get it.
Choked you. Sorry, girl. You okay, babe? He hates being wet, and now he's just gonna be a mud golly, man.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Thanks, Theo. Really know how to keep the house clean, buddy.
He's like, here you go, Dad.
This is what happens when you spray me with the hose.
You love it though.
We're going to the coffee shop. That's where we'll be. Friends? That was close. Hey! Hi! How are you? Good. How are you? Good.
This is super cool.
Your hair looks really good.
I don't know how I did that. Hey, pretty. You're beautiful. Yeah, I don't know, like, Kaylee says my hair looks really good. I woke up and it's just no gel, nothing. The mustache had to get waxed though. But this is pretty cool. I'm glad we're here. I don't want to say it's better than TwitchCon, but it's kind of better than TwitchCon. I'm glad we came here instead of TwitchCon. I missed all my friends though, and all of you guys at TwitchCon though. I wish I could have made it. We'll make it next year.
Chuck Norris.
I didn't know Chuck Norris had water, but Chuck Norris has water. Last night, I was very, very, very drunk, and I was messing with this guy right here. That's Jeremy May. He was on Ultimate Fighter, and he knows how to handle himself. And I kept fucking with him really hard, and I'm super glad that he didn't take me seriously. What kind of food are y'all gonna have?
We're doing sandwiches mostly.
Okay. That's awesome, man.
Eat some.
Yes.
I'm ready.
So you were just saying someone came in and did a review and like said the food was great.
Yeah, we're in Hill Country here, so it's the guy that did the review about us. Said great customer service, great coffee, obviously, and the food was great. Which retired Air Force cop making the food.
That's awesome, man.
So
Good stuff. Oh shit, it's the police.
God, who invited them?
Who invited these buzzkills?
And the home of the brave.
Hey, it's Jack Mandeville.
Mason, do us the honor.
This is super cool, man. I didn't know it was going to be like a whole festival type deal. We got the Marine recruiters here, of course. We got the Army recruiters over here. Where's the other guys at? Where's the Navy and the Air Force dudes, huh? Oh, there's the National Guard. They even got the National Guard here. Oh, wait, they got beer. Oh, shit. There's kegs. I found beer. Oh, if I come here, I'm definitely getting a cowboy hat.
Oh God.
Yes.
What?
Oh, check that out. The VFW over here has an awesome Willis. Nice. I want to get a shot of this truck though. This thing's bad. You what?
You're dumb.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, how's it going, man? That's a coffee truck.
Yeah.
If you guys saw the other side of it, there's like a full service coffee bar inside of it. Super cool. number 69. Also, kind sir who just said hey to me. I'm sorry I didn't stop and say hey to you back, but it was good to meet you. We're here at Soda Pops. We just got some burgers and some beers, and they have a jalapeno bun that sounds amazing. Kaylee's hot, and I've never heard of a jalapeno bun on a burger. This looks hella good though. Yeah, got some poppers.
No, I'm taking my onions off.
Few onions. Tastes like licking an armpit. Jared just texted me and told me to come to the stage, but I have no idea what's happening right now. Jared!
Hi!
What are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna do a podcast in front of a live audience.
Nice.
Are you ready?
I guess. What are we talking about?
I don't know yet. We'll figure that out as soon as
we'll just get into it. Okay.
How you doing, Donut?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
You having a good time?
Yeah, man, I'm having a great time.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah. Yay. Oh my God.
And he was blowing it up on a range. And he's like, this guy Matt Best is super funny.
Hey everyone, Donut, Cody here. I met a friend. It's Cody! Oh my God.
The right way.
The right way. The right way. Spell the right way. C-O-D-Y, you sons of bitches. What do you want to say in the vlog?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's not good for a vlog.
This is Donut Operator's vlog.
It's Donut Operator's vlog. That's right. Thanks.
Yep.
You guys don't have anything else to say?
We don't have.
Do you know any jokes?
No.
Jesus! Oh my God. The youth today don't know jokes.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You're gonna drop that.
I got my whiskey.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, hey Matt, Best. I had a line too. There was like 6 people in it. Yeah, your line sucks.
I'm in line.
You get out of Matt's line.
Excuse me.
Get out of Matt's line. Oh no. No. Eli.
Guys,
show me your dick
These
sucks.
are my new feet warmers. They're dicks. There's floppy dicks, hard dicks, soft dicks.
That's definitely a dick suck. Oh shit, it's the police.
It's the public.
Yeah, the coffee shop has a gun shop in it. We're at the Dienger. How do you like the Dienger? I got a glass bottle of Coke, which always tastes different and better than plastic bottles of Coke. It says not returnable on the side of it though.
Not what?
Returnable. Returnable.
What does that word mean?
Maybe it is returnable, but it's spelled like that. Not returnable. I'm not sure what returnable. No, no returnable.
Oh.
No returnable. Is it just returnable?
Oh, it's like Spanish.
Oh. Video Nitro. And then it says refresco right there. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's Mexican Coke. Got it.
It's what?
What? Oh, wait, what? Police, open up.
What?
What was that?
My egg exploded.
Your egg exploded. Oh God.
My one egg.
Can we get that cross cut? Can we get that oh my God. I'm gonna eat this Dienger meat right here.
Oh no. Yeah.
Well, someone already stole the SBR out of the glass case. Oh no. Came back to the Dienger. I didn't know they had like a little store in here. There's a bunch of dude stuff in the back. It smells like leather. And they got some pretty cool shotguns up here. Check this out. Look at the engraving on these guys. That's super cool. The Remington Wingmaster, the Sportsman, the Woodsmaster, the Game Master, and the Field Master. These are all super cool. That is the coolest hot sauce packaging I've ever seen. It's dynamite. The Good Hurt Fuego. I've never heard of solid cologne. It's like wax, I guess. But I'm gonna grab me some of this stuff. Fulton and Rourke. I got the Hatteras. It smells really good. It smells like a tree, but better. I'm gonna smell like a tree. You wouldn't believe some of the negative comments I get. I put that, I had that video on the vlog channel where it was like building a board for the first time in 15 years. And I had 2 or 3 people comment saying, that's not building, that's assembling. Come on, man, get out of here, get out of here. It looks like the Dienger used to be the Burn Public Library. Cool. No, sit on Wild Bill's Hickok. Oh my God. Wild Bill looks like a pirate here today.
Go sit in his lap.
Wild Bill's got a cross draw with 2 pistols. Is that historically accurate? I wonder.
No, you're gonna sit in his lap.
I don't want to sit on Wild Bill's Hickok.
Just touch his inside.
So many cowboys, so little rope. She's angry. Meh. Meh. We found a all year round Christmas store in downtown Burnie. It most definitely is a girly Santa riding.
He has beautiful eyelashes.
Look at that, it's a Day of the Dead Santa.
That's cool.
Why is the Nutcracker not wearing pants and knee-high boots? What nuts is he cracking? We're gonna get kicked out of every store in downtown Burnie. Wine is making me awesome. That's my slogan. Ah! You look out your window and see him sitting on the tree outside your window. And he quietly whispers just loud enough for you to hear, "I can smell your fears." Did anyone else's grandmother have these and you used them as nunchucks when you were little? Because I totally did. Your nightmares are tasty. All right, Matt.
Mason and I were buddies.
All right, this is my review of Matt's donut hole.
You're shooting it? It tastes like cinnamon and it's sweet.
Matt has a delicious donut hole. This is a badass challenge coin holder. I need something like that because my challenge coin holder is already filled up.
Yeah.
It's like half of this. Dude, I gotta get something like that because people just keep giving me challenge coins and patches and all sorts of stuff. Nice. Travis Pastrana's truck that he raced.
The Warriors Heart flag, they made that for us at the organization. And then this table, I don't know if you saw that vlog we did.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
So rad.
Yeah, I saw that. That's super cool, man. I'm glad that y'all recorded the whole making process of this because that was really neat to watch. I didn't realize it was that big.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Oh, it's a giant.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, because they pour that,
Oh, neat.
It's cool.
whatever that stuff is.
Epoxy?
Epoxy, yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Washington crossing to Delaware, naturally.
Nice. That's awesome.
That's before he had his second kid, but yeah, it's hilarious.
You said this is the old Drinking Bros set?
Yeah, this is where Drinking Bros was, and now it's this Free Range American podcast, so we hook up the microphones here, and then that runs into this big dashboard to your left, and then Dave does everything real time right here for us.
Sweet.
Yeah, Osama bin Laden, Rob Neil Stein there.
Nice. That's Nacho?
Nacho the goat, yeah.
Oh, that's everyone's puppers.
Yeah, those are just some of the ones here in San Antonio, so we have our little dog wall that we love.
Is Ella actually a dog?
Mm-hmm.
Right there, you can
It
barely.
looks like a teddy bear.
Hey, look, Charleston.
Cool.
Instructor Earl, close the gate. Get back. Okay. We ripped everything out.
Mm-hmm.
Storage and all that, and we have our booth from AccuSport that we built. This will be a coffee shop one day.
Awesome.
That is gorgeous.
Oh, cool. Look at that bike.
So good.
Whose is this?
That I don't know,
Oh.
That's really cool.
but that is a rad motorcycle.
Nice. Good news, we are at the airport again and no one touched my dick this time. Bad news, this exists in life. Gummy pickles. Gummies that taste like real pickles. I don't know about that.
We're going to the coffee shop. That's where we'll be.